one chicken, it had a big old, it bit its neck.
Yep, and that's how it kills it.
On both sides. Because its mouth opens up pretty big.
You're sad?
Stevie's.
Yeah, look up.
She's like getting up all close to him. Yeah, it's silly. There's the guard dog.
Look at your dog, Mike, Stevie. She thinks keeping her back legs back as far as she can. You need to take a video of your dog.
So my wife calls me the other day and she says something broke into the chicken coop and killed 2 of her chickens. And immediately I knew we had a weasel problem. So we got a live catch trap, we set it in the garden, and not 1 hour later we caught our weasel. Check it out. Yeah, he's a mean little bugger. So we're out here in the farm fields and we're gonna let him go so he can take care of the mice out here. So this is our natural release video because we are eco-friendly. All right, David. How are we gonna do this?
Well,
Come up super close, Dad.
You're just chomping on that chicken leg.
Yes, it was. It ain't that bread too.
Now, you may not know this, but weasels are ferocious little carnivores. We put an entire chicken leg in here 5 minutes ago, and look. It's completely reduced to nothing but bone. No, I'm just kidding. That was already mostly finished, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Anyway, we're going to let them loose out here in the fields because they eat mice naturally. So we figured that was a good solution.
He likes the dog food.
And they love dog food. Okay, here we go. I'm trying not to get bit.
Just chewing on chicken leg right now.
You want that video?
All right, get out of here. Get. Okay, let go.
Oh, he's on the phone.
All right.
Here, I'll do it.
Adam's gonna do it. He's gonna risk his own fingers. You have to push that thing, the top thing in.
That lever, you gotta push it.
Now pull it up.
But don't hook it, because he'll just pop it again.
Here you go.
Whoa.
He's gonna bite you. And there he goes. Back to nature from whence he came. All right, thanks for watching.